whirling their light sticks or whatever.
Sikat na bandang The Dawn nagpasalamat sa SB19 fans sa ginawang ito. Kung maraming mga OPM veteran artists ang nakaka-appreciate sa talento at ugali ng SB19, ay mayroon ding nakaka-appreciate sa 18. Yes, yan nga ang ibinahagi ni Sir Jet Pangan, vocalist ng Pinoy rock band The Dawn na unang sumikat noong late 1980s, at ito ay sa kadahilan ng iwinagayway ng SB19 fans maging ng mga fans ng Horizon ang kani-kanilang mga lightstick bilang pagpapakita ng suporta para sa kanila.
Just to make a specific example, we played for a JBL event when they launched a product sa MOA Concert Grounds. And we opened the show, big show, a lot of fireworks and snazzy stuff. And then the audience was just basically kids, younger than my daughter. They were just there and watching.
SB19 fans.
Mga SB19 fans. So medyo kinakabahan din kami kasi fans ng SB19 and Horizon. So after the gig, sabi ko sa anak ko, did they enjoy the show? Sabi niya, Dad, they did because they were whirling their light sticks or whatever. So I think the appreciation gestures have changed, but ngayon for the fact that you see them smiling and mouthing off your songs to the lyrics, I think it's a win compared to the 80s then when people would be slamming and punching each other. Iba na lang talaga iba na lang yung gestures ngayon.